Okay, go. Yeah, go. It's okay, you can go. You're turning the other way.
I guess outside because you're going to fall backwards.
Sada, your turn.
Pick your toes up.
Go, Sada.
Pick your toes up. Toes up. Go. Slide. Toes up.
He's going to already. Don't put your hands out. Okay, that was a quick stop.
All right, Sadie.
Dude, I should have peed too much.